It is yen so in one case of fire chen esha and from a crack fire a cherry to out of form and a crack it okra emu obia fa onya he. So okay Igbo man Igbo man I'll call Otumfuo Oko Asantehene they don't hear us be nice say your man show the record I so okay I this and some we say on one chrome was say omun say them say Nigeria for no mum abetias Igbo King so na media so buzi sere no so buzi twetwe no me ma nchire wo no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha yi Penyah block media me so say ni di mo obe like video no da ma subscribe button so na be click verification icon of latest update na be chire wadwen de ama me e wo comment section me so baso no a share for so enya bi ahwe eti last week na Asantehene e da form is odampem ase e ko pe ne kurabre na anibre aba eti so Otumfuo ete adwuma se oje nchia na Otumfuo nchia na ese etitre na anintre echia no na me follow nkomo no because we din kan attract Igbo King no because ade bechi ama Igbo King no kwa na se we Manhyia himfie no only Captain Smart edi nkomo se ne chiame emeka eze emeka Captain Smart only di nkomo ebu ya so krache ekwa mu ye Captain so na be suro ekwa mu tene me di hye egu akwa ma tritiri kwa me di hye egu akwa mu bibia ekwa mu da ho ade chi akọ what say e ma no pa de kura no Igbo mai no anyi ne hu ni on flag Captain so the captain wunyi ni se me nko o so o masa na nakoko e ma Igbo mai ka Captain so the captain e be se me go Captain na me yare o me na anope ya me na bibia bom na o na o de kobra ene ne ade chi Igbo mai yi one ne entourage o mo eduru Manhyia yi fi wankasa ebo ana eduru Kumasi uninvited ye invite wo mo non invited ye invite wo mo o mo wankasa ko Captain Kojo Smart amu go ahead ene ni omo ebepi hon na encha ne kosona ana ba for kantankrachi Otumfuo chiame nana pia wo nkwaso o site Igbo man no wa afaro so okay akwe eze waduru ha ene ya behwe wa ha no mo na encha ne koso kwansima na se Igbo King yi ono so eduru ho ne dom omduru ho ana ba for kantankrachi Otumfuo chiame bi na oye ahimfo ni Igbo King easy Captain Kojo Smart say why bibia wa ha no nyana nya botre kwache kakra koja akra tu chanansa bo mu ase wa ha mu ya himfo a ye Igbo man obake ken Igbo man obake brakra obake another refi obake was ayo na mo pede was say ye be chia na was a crash far left me Igbo man say crash far left Emma ye twa Igbo King serious bounce ye ba the red card kesie na eno na comedians abusia ono aka say chrome Nigeria for no media so omo twetwere di ne ho few enya asem kuma
Pokri Igbo, do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? I beg, my kidney they pay me, I don't feel laugh. Ha! That do you know who I am behavior, what they tell us so. Now don't go embarrass Nigerians. The Otumfuo they do in funeral. Okay, in a funeral, anybody can go. If you go, just sit down your own. If you Otumfuo come see, you want to recognize, you say, oh, that guy, I want to talk to him. Then you go come say, I'm the leader of the Igbo people. I'm the chief of the Igbos in Ghana. Particularly Accra, because not the whole of Ghana. Then they won't greet you. But you say carry yourself. Carry your leg. You can't want to. They look like ghost. Come go there. Who are you? Do you know who I am? Who are you, please? I'm the Igbo King of the Igbo people in Ghana. And the 2 they never lie. Almost the 2 safe. Now bodyguard. Now say, who are you again? You understand? Well, they don't say they what's it called? They send him away. They do so that nobody send him away. They just won't let him see the king. You understand? The Otumfuo is like that kind of person. Just wake up one morning, go see anyhow. Maybe so. I mean, that kind of person. I'm the real king. You understand? And I had the do king with that. Now kingship with that one, not be chief. You don't understand? Eh? So the Americans never disappoint. When this American, at least you just enter, just do anyhow. You go there. If you do anyhow, you go see anyhow. Americans, I'm so fucking proud of you all, man. I'm so proud of you all. Oh yeah, sorry. Sorry. Love to my Ghanaian people, love to my Nigerian people, love to Africa in general. Ghana Nigeria Presido. Peace.
Nigeria Igbo King in Ghana, I have a question for you. Yes, I get a question for you. I traveled out of Ghana for like 2 weeks now. I went for a project, and my fans have been sending me videos of you attending funeral in Kumasi. And that video, you were not given the opportunity to shake hands with the Kumasi King. In fact, you were in a far distance with him, and they made you remove your cap and bow down before him. After that, they led you to a path leading you out of the funeral ground. And I saw videos of others shaking hands with the king. When I asked, they said that you were not invited to that program. Come, I want to ask you, were you not invited to that funeral? If you are not invited to that funeral, you do too much. You do too much. What carry you go there? We are trying to come out of the one you caused for us a few months ago, which is leading to Nigerian must go. The one where you go buy a plot of land where they cause trouble. We are trying to come out of that one, and you've gone to do another one. You don't go to do another one. You are attending a program or a funeral that they did not invite you. Come, see, we have genuine Nigerian businessmen. Go to Seko, go to Abasok. I'm even hearing they are locking their shop. Go to Seko, go to Abasok, and we have Nigerian businessmen doing genuine business, feeding themselves and their family. And only you just take it upon yourself that you will be causing problem for all the Nigerian based in Ghana. What's in the sub? Like, what is happening? What is happening? You are attending to a funeral that you are not invited. I want to know. Is it that they invited you or they don't invite you? You go the attend program where they don't invite you. You reach there and go the disgrace. Or should I say yes? Because the video is trending. The video is trending and people are watching it and people are talking about it. You go there, go the disgrace. They make you come out your cap. King see king. One king bow. One king bow and now you bow. You are not a king. You in this country. Why they do? You even carry your kinsmen. You went there with your kinsmen. They follow you for back. They go. They cause trouble for us. They cause serious trouble for us. Why attending a funeral that we are not invited? Now the matter have started trending again about you again. We are trying for the first time to calm down. You can't go again, go cause another one. So you can't let the Nigerians in Ghana to drink water, drop their cup. Now if they drink water, their cup remains in their mouth because their legs know they reach ground again for Ghana. Caused by you. By you. I don't even know your name, Seth, this man. You go to attend to funeral where they invite you. I don't know what to say. It's obviously clear now that now you cause this whole problem. You don't clear now you cause this whole problem. I don't know what I want to tell you. I don't know what I want. In fact, carry this camera and come off my front.
So the so-called Igbo king in Ghana had the balls to go to Manhyia Palace during the Dotiye rituals. And apparently, allegedly, he wasn't allowed to see the king. You see, despite everything, the Ashanti kingdom is not to be told with. Take it or leave it. This is an indication that you have overstayed your welcome, dear king, and you must advise yourself. You see, the impudence, the audacity that he went there in his all regalia and his entourage. He didn't go there alone. He went with his entire entourage. Like, I saw more than 15 people behind him. And I'm like, this man, the audacity. Just take a look at it. Take a look at this. Wearing his usual cap, or hat, right? Wearing his usual hat. In his confidence, went to see the Asantehene, to pay his homage to the Asantehene. And first off, I love the way he was humbled, the way he was asked to take off his hat, and after that, redirected him to go elsewhere without getting the opportunity to shake the hand of a king. Oga, this should tell you that Ghanaians are not to be told with. They would degrade you without you knowing.
Igbo King got sacked. Oh, he got sacked. This is unbelievable. But, like, honestly, who does he think he is? on a serious note, who does he think he is? You're in somebody's country and you're just like walking on the street with bold shoulders and bodyguards and, you know, like I can't believe it. This is not your country. This is someone's country. And you're behaving and walking on the street with like broad shoulders and walking gallantly like the country is yours. You see, he got embarrassed like really bad. I can't believe this. Like this video, it's just mind blowing that he actually like think he's an actual king and walking on the street of Ghana like that. And I'm surprised that nothing happened to him, because this is the reason why it says Ghana is a very peaceful place. If that was somewhere else, by now his body would have been covered with a lot of milkshakes or eggs, like a lot of eggs. But Ghana is a very peaceful place. Everybody minds their own business. I think that's why he's taking advantage of that. And well, look at that, he got turned away, and it's just embarrassing, like really.
Oh, Bob, I prefer to go funeral for Kumasi than to go wedding. Jesus! Kumasi funeral. The Otumfuo Nana Piao. Me bo mudina matoni. Me bo mudina masomi. That man, mother, sister, die. Jesus! Funeral be like carnival. Everybody, oh, Bob. No. No. Kumasi do tradition. Kumasi do. I see one that small boy get it like this. Food now, water. Food full everywhere. Now only Kumasi you go funeral, they'll give you cooler of food, you carry guas, drinks, gifts. Hi, if I marry for Kumasi now, my father-in-law die now. No be small money I go make. Busia penny 10,000. Musia many 100,000. Person many 40 billion. I my Kumasi woman now. Then I'll make my Kumasi woman when the father and mother are alive. So that if they die, if the father go first die, then I'll come make money, get plenty food. Then the mama will call die. I'll come make money. Then the mama sister will call die. I'll call taking. Piao! Oh, here.
Information reaching me now that this particular Igbo king wey dey inside this Ghana here has been totally embarrassed big time inside Kumasi yesterday. They say Baba faced the highest embarrassment of his life inside Ashanti region yesterday. You know, be small thing, no. Ew! When I watched this particular video of how they embarrass the man, I was like, what is the meaning of this? Is it a by force to go to where they did not invite you? Some of you, the Nigerians, are the beguna in the name of God. More kuna learn how to the respect yourself at times. Yes, now. Because according to some people, they say if una see the way some of those Ashanti region people calm down, disgrace this self-acclaimed Igbo king wey dey inside this Ghana, they say up till now, the Igbo king and his own chief members no fit come back to Accra because of the shame. Shall go the life for una. Now, wetin be that way carry this Igbo king go Ashanti region from Accra here, wey go dey face this kind of shame? Oh, Nigerians, this is a big slap to you people in your face. Yes, now, everybody here in Ghana knows that the Ashanti region land, their king over there, which is Otumfuo Asantehene II, lost his beautiful, precious queen mother of the land. Now, a lot of great kings, chiefs, prominent people, big men, they go there, go they pay homage, they mourn with the king over there. Day one pass, day two pass. So inside the day three, now the Igbo king from this Accra say, no, if my fellow chief and kings they go Ashanti region, go the mourn with the king Otumfuo Asantehene II. Make me too go, because I am also a king. They are aware. Now the Igbo king with his chief members, Mokuna they observe them. Now they mount in their own traditional way. So as they get to Kumasi, a lot of the citizens over there, the town people over there, welcome them very well, embrace them, despite the protests of Igbo King must go, Nigerians must go. But they don't care because they hype am. Hey, Odogu, hey, big man. So as the tradition demands, they say the kings, chiefs, the prominent people, they go shake the king of the land, which is Otumfuo. Now the Igbo king say no, let me to go shake the king. When everybody they go, he reach the Igbo king in turn to go shake. Now some of the Ashanti men see them, say Baba stop. Who are you? Your dressing, you people, your dressing is different from our movement. What would they do here? Now the Igbo king say, my name is Dr. Chukwudi. I am the Igbo king here in Ghana. Now the Ashanti region people tell us, say, Baba, calm down. Your name as Igbo king is not registered in our registration. So you guys cannot go and greet our king. Rather, as a visitor, you guys are. The only best thing we can do for you people is to provide a good place for you guys to sit down. Smoke when I see where they go give them, now they go sit down. Now they see them. So this be how the embarrassment go. They don't allow him to shake the king. It means say it's not anywhere recognized here in Ghana as a king. Now, me and my own advice where I go give this Igbo king, say, Baba, it's high time you need to calm down, humble yourself, respect yourself, sit down for one corner first. Because Ghanaians, their hearts never touch the ground. They see the protest, they see get that kind of mentality of Nigerians must go, Igbos must go, or Igbo king must step down. So at this point, you for know they go to some places. If they invite you, that invitation should be more official. They must announce your name, say you they come, so that the area people go put that kind of respect on your name. You just go there like the way everybody they go. Now see the embarrassment. Either not true to not be true to, but what is all over the whole internet, the biggest news is that they embarrass you by not allowing you to shake the king of Ashanti region. So just imagine, is this not a big slap to Nigerians' face? Baba, watch yourself well. Baba Kerewayo.
Ghana for Asamaba. Semuska and Kameton and Chi Otua Bem Pan, Yakoma Otumfuo Chiameno. The Omusin is one son of Mako Chiotumfon. Muska and Kameton and Q Tua Bem Pan, Yakoma say, only when I put Nakuman Tony. Only for Shaggy Keke, only for Shaggy. Because we save you and if social media insults. We save you as Antefuan Casa. Make us say, Igbo man, or Koyenasin, or crowd of yes, and me pass anti-memo. Who know now, or Mugu social media and me call, I could share must say me somebody. Yeah, Massy, you will grow you nobody. Massy, obey somebody the whole Accra, or be drew as anti-memo, especially Manhyia, won't get nobody, won't catch you. Ye man, send a man to nature, or do also go to you for that. Yes, that be Jinaho. You besides all your wine, or seemingly Igbo King, yes, to che, or two nature. No, so Omba or Ombon Mass and Motumfo. One bell Tumfo, a man in Bon Mass, or both first one eyes and the book, which has some bobby or second one. And I'm Piao. Missing Muska and Cassana and I know yes, I didn't make 20 cheap and your papa. So give you for shake because I can by this time we can go for so life. Attempt the day or what to money and Nana, I mean, shit out Piao. What she has done with one man in Munguasi and can life and go for so long and come win your life and go on punkers or turn life so go really. Atemidi ngwa ko be dia han fatem enne go fon se ma ka omanum omuntimi nkasa se kutu se bam we nyam de ni bia me hu video bia enlam online na sisi a omokompe kama na se nkranfo di omafa show se den wakogye akonya ho na oto 1 cd na omofum se asantimem de o scampo sika is 0 dia me pass and fast am se ade ama me pass and for asem say omo ye adwuma so omo pesika but omo nhye da value sika sa omo value nimpa eche sika omo value dignity eche sika because baby wo hon ma wo kwa omo tu sika na ahemfo ne mfom unkonhu asante ahemfo se omo fom sika wo omo nya sa ade omo respect omo papa ade ama me pass and for asem omo respect omo enye osika de enka hwe intini e wo baby wo say
we Nigerian guy ya your friend Chukude. I was so ye Igbo King wa Accra hono. Now obusia the ekoso Manhyia beautiful scenes. Krobia Santo Koto Otumfuo Asantehene and nanam the Asante Kingdom Asia. Obiabi was invited. I'm gonna for ba and can for ba islim for ba ubia Santimai because baby a kosi baby a Manhyia. Now this guy and Nigeria for so ekobi Manhyia. But manyan ntia say you see a video because say sa so called Igbo King no a wotin kra wono akwache Otumfuo enya no kre na mpato hwe video ni enya no kre da wanche Otumfuo nam sa asante mo bia kwan eba ba bia asantefo ye di adwuma bia no oduru awo limit oduru ho no Manhyia chiame bafo kentenkrache ka kire se tuche no bo mu ase ne kwa ekoni se period onusa limit of onusa level no a ese wo chia Otumfuo in this time that be onuru asantemam ye won hyehye ibibia no wo hyehye wo ye ji obi amamretum but oduru ho a e won hyehye ho wanchia Otumfuo we are setting the record straight Chukude the so-called Igbo King no a wote bi a wodi nsimu no enye kumase a ebia baabi wote na authority no obetima aye de ope but enye kumase a Nigeria for no kora na wo mo kumase no they know their limit and in fact oba kumase a ye won hyehye nti odi obetima atena baabi aye akonkomua obetima atena baabi aye bossy but not in kumase. So this is the video evidence sake memo bia la dada asantemam ye ninsamfo ho ebia ye baabi obetima atena na waye no ho kenken sam but not in kumase in Asante region never. It the point is this is the video Chukude edru kumase wantimia yamana nkoche Otumfuo yetu ye wura chiame ka kire nse tuche no ne bo mu ase video ne da ha no this is evident share video we na mo bia hu obi obe propaganda say wakoche Otumfuo it is not true. Chukude or Eze Kominini Nigeria King no a was what na Accra ho no he did not greet Asante. He never greet the king of Ashanti Kingdom. Period. We are setting the record straight. Video no MOB and deceive. Let no one deceive you. Say Chukude Igbo King ako kumasi ako che Otumfuo never pacho hwade because ye mobi akwan tina and ye huanwonafo fefefe isrimfo nkanafo biade fefefe but Nigeria for so culture we accept it omoba ye no oba we are present but so kwachi Otumfuo no and see video ne da ho no me da say share page we
na me sa do esi we no se me na me Igbo man na enke ho na bi Captain Smart di kan me yi me chiam minute because Captain Smart asset Igbo King app was setting no what did not do what are that tira je ma me e wo comment section ah Penyah block media.